Hey, what's going on, everybody? Trade recap for today. Today was super clean. Um, Everything that I kind of wanted to see play out played out. There was two A plus, like top of the line two A plus setups that were pretty close into open. One of them was before 10 a.m. news, and the other one was after. So I'll hop into that. Unfortunately, I did miss the first A plus entry. I wasn't on the charts at the time. But yeah, we'll go over that one quick, and then we'll go over the actual long that I did end up taking. And yeah, let's hop into the kind of like a little bias for the day. So coming in higher time frame, still a little bit confusing, but we have this daily gap above that we did not hit yet, and I'm still waiting for us to uh, tap into the daily. And then we also had these 4 hour highs above here and then here and so on and so forth. But kind of just been trending, bullish. So there's no reason to look to short and everything. So hopping down to like the 15-minute time frame, we had London highs. We swept out London lows and Asia lows. With this reaction, this type of displacement we got on the 15, London was the clearest draw that you could have had. And I told myself, even if I don't get an entry up to London, I said it would be okay if, after this big leg up that we're probably most likely gonna have, we can see a rebalance, lower into a 5 or 15 minute fair value gap. So that was my plan coming in. Kind of just, I'm looking for longs until London and then see how we react. I'm okay to take shorts if that's what's presented, but then ultimately, I want to see us keep going higher. As you kind of see here, you see the pattern up, down, up, down, up, down, right? So that's what it comes down to sometimes, especially, December price action and everything. Don't complicate it for yourself. So we'll play forward a little. So boom, too far. We ended up sweeping out London off like the second candle or first candle into open. So boom, we end up coming down here. I was looking at this 1 minute, but the problem was it's a big leg that I'm trading against there. So I wanted to see some type of resweep, which we do end up getting. We also put in an SMT right here with ES. And then from here, I'm really just looking for the first, the first fair value gap that's presented, looking to, inverse it down to, this 5 minute or, whatever like that. So I don't have the 30-second chart on here. I use Top Step X for the 30-second, but we ended up having an inverse here. This was the 30-second. So that the close was like here. So you could have entered there. Either have the stops at the protected high, or you could have went to the top of this candle. To be safe, I would put it there, and then just target the 5 minute. Look at how quick, 3 candles, 3 minutes, and you would have smacked TP. Now, so that was the first setup I ended up missing. It's all good. Now this reaction off the 5 minutes kind of telling me that we might want to move higher, but again, we have this huge leg trading again, so I wanted to see another resweep if I was to enter long. Because like this entry is a little scuffed. You could have took the 2 minute entry, I think, entering here, but that's a little too premium for me. Yeah, it's a little too high, but anyway, so I was just being patient. Again, my next draw was this high up here, which were those 4 hour highs that have not been traded towards yet. This one, and then again we had this one, and the daily gap above eventually that I'm looking to target. So we get that displacement up higher again. We're just waiting for this 5 minute, and this was 10 a.m. news. Ultimately, again, I was kind of waiting for 10 a.m., especially with some of the firms, the rules and everything. They don't really allow you to trade within 2 minutes of news and stuff like that. So just waiting for that 5 minutes to get hit. So boom, perfect reaction. There was another 30-second here. This was the entry. stops at the low here, and then TP would just be at this high up here, and then I would go break even at the data highs, but because it was actually a pretty decent candle, I was almost positive we were gonna come up to this, whether we come up and then stop me out break even or what, but I like that as my break even point just because it aligns so nicely with the trade. And last thing before I play it out, 10 a.m. Again, the open low high close at 10 a.m. is kind of like the key thing. A lot of times, 10 a.m. PO3 happens and everything like that. This was definitely on the 30-second. You can see it better, but we had this accumulation, came down. News doesn't count because it's a news candle. Came down, swept out the lows. Boom. Now we're gonna move higher for the distribution phase of 10 a.m. And right here, break even within 2 candles. We did come back down. We mitigated this 1 minute and then ripped up to TP. So super nice trade. Here's the proof. Just on 4 accounts today, like $3,100 day, $8,500 a week. Good way to end off the week. Good first week of December. I'm pretty surprised with the price action that we're getting so far. This week was really clean. I think I traded 3 days, 3 wins, no losses. So yeah, overall super happy with the week, how the month is starting out, and yeah, let's keep it going into next week. So enjoy your guys' weekend, and come back strong Monday, and finish out the end of quarter 4. Peace out.